What's going on, everybody? Travis with the RAC Garage. In this video, we're going to be working some more on the 1930 Model A Tudor sedan. Getting some patches in, doing a little bit of metal finishing, making some panels. I don't know how much I recorded, but we chip away, get stuff done. That's getting so hot.
That got really hot.
I know.
That's probably just gonna move. No, it's okay. That looks good. Maybe a little bit more. 5 grand. 29? Yeah. Oh no, it's 30, 31. He just doesn't know what he's talking about. That was different, but cool, it's still fun. Does the door close better?
Yeah.
No, maybe you just have to bend it more. Yeah, there's no rubber. That's a good song.
I know. Put that back up.
I think you should just leave the music on one time and see if unnamed band cares.
Well, I think they can.
They probably do.
Tapped before.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What music was in it?
I forgot what song it was, but it was like...
Whoa.
It was in the background. I forgot to like edit it out. I thought I did. Copyright strike. Too many puppies!
Being shot in the dark. They don't care about that.
Well, I mean, there's not really much more lyrics in that, I don't think.
Okay, lines left
Okay.
the whole way. Oh, launch valve. Is it too tight?
It's just right here. I'll just have to file that. But that's fine. That's too tight because you can always remove material and put it back on. Alright, show them how good the door closes.
Gotta get some rods for this freaking thing.
Yeah. I don't even have to close it that hard.
No, I didn't.
Give him the gentle close. Ooh.
Probably could have even done softer than that.
Yeah. There it is. Let's see if it passes the pinky test.
Pinky? Pinky.
When in doubt, pinky out. And the body up. Yeah. This clamp could be loosened up to
The other one's off.
get the body lines perfect. Woo. There it is. Now I need to fix this giant gaping hole.
Yeah, it's too big over to get in that spot.
This one should be alright, I guess. Run the outside again, and then do this with the PP. Just try and get the weld, don't get anything else. To somebody maybe. To somebody maybe, Andy.
Yes. Maybe.
To meet the guy who eats earplugs as candy.
Straight ass. Lube?
Huh?
For this crack, should I just...
I use the thin filler.
Yeah.
A little bit. You good?
Yep, I'm good. Good enough? No. There we go. Stop peeking, dude. What are you measuring?
Bead to bead. What's that one say?
21 3/8.
This one's 21 and a half.
That's pretty damn close. 1/8 of an inch. Standing directly in front of the camera.
Oh. Oh no, 21 and a half.
There we go. Yeah. The opposite of a cameraman. I just stand in front of the camera.
You don't stand behind it.
Stand directly in front of it, purposely obstructing its view. What's bead to bead over there?
Well, it's whatever I make it.
True. So 21 and 3/8.
I gotta make it match the door. I have to make it match the door.
Yeah, I know.
Monday. I always forget that Monday exists. That I go to school and you work.
I go to work.
I was gonna work yesterday between my classes, but then Savin had limitations all week.
All right, so you saw me messing with this gap there. That's looking good. The door shuts magnificently. Everything lines up. I had to make this panel again. Somebody cut the body too short by accident. You know, that stuff happens. So I whipped another one up. Just got it welded in. Jacob's probably going to take care of that tomorrow. I got to run an errand for Kelly Builds. So he's going to be mainly working on metal finishing this. I'll probably get this welded in tomorrow morning. So he'll metal finish that and then work on metal finishing this weld seam on this wheel well. He got this one pretty much all set today. And he worked on finishing out this weld under here. So, you know, things are progressing nicely. Still got to get a piece for the back. I thought I had a piece big enough. I do not. So, got to go to the steel shop and get a piece for the back here. I'll just make that just like I made that piece there. You know, it's really not going to be that big of a deal. Things come out better and it's easier when I just make the whole piece than it is to replace a big piece and have a weld right through the center. That's just the nature of it, but so, you know, obviously sometimes you got to do it that way. Other times you can make the whole thing. It really depends on the situation. But the back door, making the whole thing. Not the whole panel, but from the belt line down, pretty much making that whole thing. So yeah, good progress on today. I will catch you guys tomorrow.